This is the website where you have to come if you're planning for any camping, overnight accommodation, or even book parking in advance for anywhere within Canada. You can see here camping, overnight accommodation, plan your visit, passes, permit fee, everything is here on this website. And for you to do reservation, just click on reservation, and then here you have two ways to do the reservation: online and by phone. By phone, you'll be paying little extra. If you are comfortable doing that, you can do that. My preferred method is reservation service, where you just go book it online and everything is available with you online, and you have everything ready before the trip. So once you come to the reservation service, right, you see here, you get all the launch dates for a particular year, and province and territory wise, you can see the location here. For example, for Ontario, here you see for the Bruce Peninsula National Park, you see what all are available, and then the location, Cypress Lake, and what is the operating season. That date is given. This way, there is no ambiguity, and you get to see everything in detail. Then you can come to the reservation service for that particular place, and you can also go in here by clicking this link where you come to that particular web page. So here you get to know what all are available here. Reservation is required, portable water taps, flush toilet, central shower facility, fire pit, and picnic table. So you get to know all the services what is available at this place. What is important to note is that many places requires reservation, especially even if you're doing a day trip, you will have to book a parking space, and doing that in advance is must for you to ensure that you don't have to do any last minute struggle. And I made a video on how you can do that for Grotto and halfway log dump parking. That should give you an idea of how the parking gets done. You need to have a credential. GC key is the best to have. You have everything at one place. Anytime, any year you go, everything is at one place. So you can check that video out, and that will give you an idea of how the booking is done. Every place has its rule, and there is a reason for that. You will get to see that. For example, this campground rule says possession and use of firewood not supplied by Bruce Peninsula National Park is prohibited. And the reason is that this is to ensure invasive species are not introduced. So if you're carrying any firewood from your end, it will be confiscated. Do not collect wood or stick off the ground, and quiet hours are mentioned. Then no excessive noise at any time. Alcohol, cannabis consumption ban are in effect during quiet hours. Feeding campfire after 11 p.m. is prohibited. And then there are weekends where there is a full ban on possession of alcohol and cannabis to the effect. So once you go through this in detail, you know that what are the do's and don'ts, and also you get to see how many people are allowed at site, and not more than 3 sleeping structures. All of this are there on every single page of the website. So it's must to read this.